recording. Previous classes I had just given you the introduction of the hormones. I said hormones are the chemical messengers. They are secret to the endocrine gland. Endocrine gland do not have adducts of secretion into blood, and blood will take you to all over the body. And only the cell or the tissue or the organ is responsible to show response to this particular hormone, which should response and all will remain unaffected. So this organ which is responsible to show the effect is called target organ, where it is targeting. Like I told you in the last class when I was giving examples, child want to give some exam and they do some legal or other exam or cancel and the information is from the newspaper. I read, you read, and all the read, but for us they don't know you because we are not giving exam. The child who is giving exam is only for that person's use. So that will be the target. Who is target? That is who is actually getting the information. Others are of no for others this information. Similarly, the opposite of blood is taking all of the body, and only a certain organ which are some response they will show in unaffected. Now, what are the endocrine glands? Now, there are several endocrine glands. First of them is hypothalamus. Second is pituitary. Third is thyroid. Fourth is thymus. Fifth is adrenal. Sixth is gonads. There are many more glands, but they are of not important class. So we are not talking about. So these are the various glands which are found in our body, and they will be secret their hormones and their function there. First is hypothalamus. Where is hypothalamus found? Hypothalamus is found in the forebrain. The forebrain. We have studied when the brain is studying the control of coordination, and when I was showing you the diagram, and I said hypothalamus forebrain. Hypothalamus is collecting information from all the sensory organs, the eyes, nose, skin, and all other. And they are collecting information about the temperature, what is the season, what are the duration of sunlight, what are the changes. So all these changes are viewed by the hypothalamus and they are processing under it. And accordingly, they secrete some hormones to stimulate the pituitary gland. That what has to be done. So, if I say you, taking the example of our school, suppose our school is the body, human body. So, hypothalamus is one part of principle. The principal is getting information from the children, from the staff, from the servant, from the parents, from the youth, from the diocese of society, and from the education department, from the charity, from ministry, and this and that. They are getting information. He is getting information from all sort of things, and accordingly they are deciding strategy, what has to be done. The information being that the school will remain closed during the COVID period, and the principal sends the reviews to the coordinator. Coordinators their teaching, that is, we will not come to school. Prepare your lecture from home and upload it. After some time, the information came. School can remain on, but not for the teaching purpose. Children will not. So then we decided, let the teachers come, prepare the lecture, upload it, let the children learn. So hypothalamus is just working like principle. Getting information from all the things, but they themselves are not doing anything. Themselves are not controlling. Not the principle will they will send the information controller and a game controller by far. Okay, and another important thing, the hypothalamus is getting all its information from the nervous system. but what are changes are taking place around us. So hypothalamus secretes some sort of releasing hormone. These releasing hormones are ultimately controlling the functioning of pituitary. Thyroid stimulating releasing hormones. Adrenocorticotropic releasing hormones. Gonadotropin releasing hormones. Okay. Thyroid stimulating releasing hormones. Gonadotropin releasing corticotropin releasing hormones. So all these are releasing hormones. Hypothalamus tells the pituitary ये कराना है. As principal tells the coordinator ये कराना है. I want this work should be done. And the coordinator will go and tell to the children or to the teachers or to the other agency that what we are doing. Okay, so this is how the functioning is going on. Hypothalamus directly doesn't control. Hypothalamus is sending the information to pituitary. एक बार की बात है हमारे देश के सबसे बड़े उद्योगपतियों में से एक रतन टाटा. Ratan Tata was going in his car. He's got so many different cars, all world's best cars of course. He was going in his car and he wanted to drive. And he saw that in front of him there was a couple with a small child going, and it started raining. अब टाटा जो है वो देख रहे हैं कि that family is getting wet and the lady is trying to save the child with her dupatta or sari, whatever it is. But to do that, टाटा साहब के दिल में बहुत पेन हुआ. बोलो कि in my country we are so much of reporters and all, and yet ask us something. इस दिन टाटा साहब ने उन्होंने अपने फैक्ट्री में जाके बात की and he told the manager what is the sense we are making such expensive car where our country normal people and average people cannot afford a car and people are struggling. कहीं पे पानी भरा हुआ है, नीचे गड्ढा है, नीचे पता नहीं है, और इसके अंदर the wheel of the scooter goes into the गड्ढा and the whole thing और तो टाटा साहब ने अपने लोगों को बुलाया और बोला कि I want a seamless car which everybody can afford. What I am talking about, all the managers of the Tata Motors and gave them a target. बनाओ कार, सस्ती कार, which everybody should. And they started working with all other departments. उन्होंने इंजन बनाने वालों को बोला एक छोटा इंजन बनाओ, उन्होंने टायर बनाने वालों को बोला कि छोटा टायर बनाओ, उन्होंने दूसरा नंबर बोला and design बनकर के आए फाइनली a small car which will be better on that page. Right, and but हम ये कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे क्या of managers, they are to manage. As function is of coordinator, they are to coordinate, and the function is to be done by the others. So hypothalamus is clear to you. Where it is located? It is located in the brain. It is getting the information from the brain, from the whole sensory organ. All these information are brought and coordinated, processed there, and accordingly stimulated to me. I want this into go. Now it is on the pituitary. The ball is in the pituitary's basket. Let us think now what pituitary does. What pituitary does. Pituitary is where it is located. It is located just beneath the eye. हाइपोथैलेमस। साइज क्या है, कितनी बड़ी है, ये पी साइज की ग्लैंड है। पी बटन का दाना होता है ना, पी एंड ये क्या है, ये मास्टर ग्लैंड है, मास्टर ग्लैंड। व्हाई? बिकॉज़ इट इज कंट्रोलिंग फंक्शन ऑफ ऑल अदर ग्लैंड। सारी देखिए बड़ी ग्लैंड और हमको तो 10th क्लास ही पढ़ना है ना, 10 बच्चों का जो बहुत छोटे छोटे और ये वो लॉकडाउन में और भी छोटा होता है। So pituitary is known as master gland because it is controlling the function of all other endocrine glands. Too small it is. How to small all other glands? The testes is big, the ovary is big, the pancreas is big, liver is the largest one. Pancreas is also big. So all other glands are big. This is small, and yet it is controlling the function of all other. So pituitary do, pituitary secretes hormones as a form of prime secretion of it is growth hormone. GROWT and growth hormone growth hormone which affect the long bones. It is ulna, humerus, femur, tibia, fibula. These are the longer bones and they increase the length of these bones as the person becomes big. And those people with that growth hormone are secreted in less very wow. So when this hormone is secreted in more than required quantity for ejaculation, and when it is secreted in less than required quantity, it leads to Vagism. If it is secreted in the less than required quantity, lower secretion leads to Vagism. And if it is secreted in more than required quantity, it leads to Dysgeusia. Both the cases are not good. The height should be average, somewhere about 5.6 to 6 feet. Above 6, those are not made to they find it difficult to enter in the car or come out of the car, buses. So height should not be more than 6. Height should not be less than 6. Then they find struggling, they can't see anything. So this is ultimately controlled by hormone. Here I have to specify one thing. If hormone is less, you cannot put from outside. It is not there जहाँ हमारे बच्चे का hormone का देखना रहेगा. Because hormones are working on a principle of feedback mechanism. They are getting the feedback. If one hormone is exceeded of many other hormones which are depending on that, they will also be adversely affected. So if you inject a hormone from outside, it will control many other hormones function adversely. So you cannot simply give hormone और वो जो बाजार में न्यूज़पेपर में आते हैं ना हाइड गेन एसडीएन और डाइट है वो सब आके पैसा वसूल या जरा तो वो पॉकेट मनी पूरा कर दो दिमाग बढ़ा दो इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ा दो कुछ नहीं होता सब बाबा जी के जादू में and you cannot if you grow you cannot reduce किसी को दुबला पतला नहीं कर सकते दुनिया में इतने मोटे पैसा उनके पास गोलियां खाने का भी नहीं give up some kind of food then only. Okay, so these are the growth hormone is the first hormone. The second hormone is thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid, hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone secreted from pituitary work on the thyroid gland. And it stimulates thyroid gland to secrete more of thyroxine. We should study about thyroid later. Next is adrenal corticotropin hormone, which will stimulate adrenal cortex to release adrenal corticotropin hormones or cortical hormone. Okay. Next is follicular stimulating hormone. Hormone. Follicular stimulating hormones works on the gonads, the testes in man and ovaries in female, and they will secrete their hormone, that is Pratishtha Yadav. This is any kind Pratishtha, but she is not of 10 plus. This so. यानी ज्ञान तो ज्ञान है, कोई भी ले सकते हैं. Follicular stimulating hormone, they will function on the testes and the ovaries, and they will secrete ovarian hormone and testicular hormone, plus they will maintain the reproductive functions, etc. Okay, so they two more hormones. One is ADH, anti-diuretic hormone, or commonly known as vasopressin. Vasopressin is the hormone secreted from the pituitary, and it acts on the DCT of the kidney. DCT we already studied in chapter 6. Chapter 6 in the excretion kidney. The functional unit of the kidney is nephron. Nephron has 4 parts: Bowman's capsule, neck and DCT. The next is Henle loop, and the fourth one is DCT. And DCT is the part where the excess of water or the water is absorbed. So when the body has less amount of water, like today, I left home at around 8:45 and I forgot to bring water bottle. और आज के कुछ दिन वैसे ही ऐसे चल रहे हैं. आके नहीं लगा रहे, आके नहीं कर रहे, आमने सामने नहीं बैठ रहे, पानी कौन पिएगा? So I am thirsty, but I know I am not going to die. I know why it should be within 8 years. In 8 years, will take out water from the DCT of my kidney, and I will get enough of water. The women who are taking Nirjala Upvas, they don't die at the end of the day. Because ADH is helping in them to gain water. The people who are having Ramjan, Roze Rakhe, they do not die because of lack of water. Why? Because they are having ADH functioning, and that is increasing of water level. And the last one, the 10th class code is oxytocin, OXYTOCIN. Oxytocin is the hormone secreted only in the pregnant woman during the end of their pregnancy. 9 months खत्म होते जब वो डिलीवरी का टाइम होगा तब कहीं जाकर के ये होगा. And this hormone, what it will do? It will initiate a strong contraction and relaxation in the walls of the uterus to expel the baby out. हो गया आपका टाइम, अब बाहर. So oxytocin is hormone which is responsible for childbirth. So these are the hormones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hormones. They are the hormones secreted in the pituitary, and pituitary will control producing of hormones, and that is why it is known as master gland. Finally, there is which we shall study about thyroid gland. And in this video, we can go YouTube for further study. बनाना है इसको बनाइए, आगे बढ़ना है, कैसे करना हो करें. So the thing is available to you, and those who are saying कि सर हमें clearly नहीं दिख रहा है, तो जिस दिन आपका नेटवर्क अच्छा है दिख जाएगा. नहीं और नेटवर्क में भी तो because we are seeking the high network with best of best hardware. हमारी तरफ से कोई प्रॉब्लम some children say subscribe data audio clearly. We are setting everything. Others are not setting anything. They have to और थायराइड कहाँ पे मिलती है? यहाँ मिलती है, just beneath the voice box or iron sample. Okay, under voice box. ये बटरफ्लाई शेप की ग्लैंड है, शेप की। It has got 4 lobes, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and an stomach which is joining that. And it is secreting a hormone called thyroxine. Thyroxine contains iodine as the main content. जब 3 iodine molecule मिलते हैं तो इसका नाम होता है hydroxide. जब 4 iodine रहते हैं तो इसका नाम होता है टेट्रा iodine. 3 iodine 1 triiodine and 4 iodine 1 tetraiodine. Functional same. So one thing is clear that the iodine is the main content of thyroxine. Thyroxine is responsible for regulating metabolism. Metabolism is system of all chemical reactions taking place in our body. Sum of all chemical reactions taking place in our body, including respiration, digestion of food, synthesis of new protein, immunity, this, that, so many different type of chemical reactions are taking place. That there are hundreds and thousands of chemical reactions are taking place. All these chemical reactions are collectively known as metabolism. It is responsible for growth, it is responsible for digestion, it is responsible for making new protein and for immunity, for this and that, so many different things. If you are able to see me, which you are able to, it is because of so many different types of chemicals. Because when light is falling in your eyes, it is breaking so many different types of molecules and it is stimulating your retina, the rods and bone cells, and these information are passed to the brain. Again, some processing and chemical processing are taking place. Then you are able to see. The same is for hearing. Same is for other thinking, reasoning, understanding, and all. All different types of things which are taking place in our body is because of metabolism. So, if the thyroxine is less than required quantity, the metabolism will go down and it will affect the physical growth and the mental growth. And since we know the children of 5 years or below, 5 years or below are mainly responsible for completing their neural or brain growth as well as physical. So if they do not get proper iodine in their food, or they do not get proper thyroxine in their body, their physical and mental growth will be तो टेंगू हो जाएंगे, वो दिमाग से भी ठीक है. Now, where do people live? People are living in the Himalayan region. कोई यहाँ पे तो China वहाँ कोई situation. There the water is come from the taking of the glacier which are found in the Himalayas. And the water of the glacier is ultra pure. Because water from the sea rises and forms cloud, it is only the water which can contain the salt. And the water causes rain and the rainwater causes air and this water comes from the water. The water does not contain any mineral. So the vegetables which are grown there also do not contain iodine. Water has no iodine, vegetable is not iodine. Okay, mentally retarded and physically stuck. बहुत सालों होता रहा ऐसा. Then some research took place and they came to know that the lack of iodine. And when born into India, उन्होंने पूछा ऐसा क्यों होता? If you know that it is because of the lack of iodine. तो क्या करें? iodine मिला दो किसमें? पानी में. कैसे मिला? नमक में मिला दो ना. नमक गरीब और अमीर सब खाता है. Poorest of the person to the richest of the person all need salt. And it will give enough of iodine. Hence, iodized salt is coming to be in our country. And the people are now eating iodine salt and getting enough of iodine. You cannot eat a lot of iodine. You cannot eat less iodine. Also. You cannot eat a lot of salt. The appropriate amount of salt, appropriate amount of iodine in your body, and you will be free from this anal disease. Okay, that's all for today. Next class we will continue further ahead. Thank you. You can ask your problem and you can see YouTube video number of time to understand all these problems. It may be possible that you're not able to read something or hear something sometime or once sometimes I speak fast, then you can collect it from the YouTube video. Thank you.